Right. अब close and personal में मैं आपको introduce कराऊंगी to Uzma Abid. She's a certified running coach and a marathon runner. Welcome to the show. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. So Uzma, I believe ये आपका second Karachi marathon, आप second आई हैं Karachi marathon 2025 में.
Absolutely.
Right. And आप 3 international marathons भाग चुकी हैं. London, which is 3 hours 59 minutes.
Yes.
Berlin, 4 hours 8 minutes. Istanbul, 4 hours 43 minutes. And Karachi का marathon, 4 hour 1 minute.
Yes.
Wow, 1 minute भी count किया उनने, हाँ?
Berlin was 4:10 actually. Yeah.
4:10.
But
Wow.
Yes, yes.
तो दिल पे लिखे होंगे
Every
numbers.
second counts.
Every
yeah.
second.
Every second counts.
So how do you feel?
Well, I feel it's been a journey obviously, but it's an accomplishment के इतने सालों से that I have been managing all this. So for me at this point in life, I'm thinking कि जी मैं अपना family life हर चीज़ balance करके I'm able to do this. So I feel accomplished just being at it. So ये भी एक it's not
And by
easy.
family life,
you
mean like
yes,
husband, kids?
Yes, husband, 2 children.
Oh,
I
mashallah.
have 2 teenagers.
Oh, wow.
Yes, so it's not easy.
So are you running from them also, or are you just running from their problems, or actually running?
Actually running, genuinely running since I got a certification also.
Amazing.
Yes.
And I believe आप coaching भी करा रही
जी
हो.
बिल्कुल मैं
So you
coaching भी
actually
करती हूँ.
train girls as well?
I train
boys?
males and female, yeah, both. जी.
Amazing. Okay, so let's hear a little about this experience of Karachi Marathon in which you came second. Let's talk a little about that. How do you do it with kids as well? Let's talk about that. Your journey. How did you begin?
Well, I began, I think formally जब मैंने about 3.5 years ago मैंने एक running club join किया जो marathon training के लिए specially होता है CV runners.
अच्छा.
So that's when I picked up how to actually run distances. उससे पहले भी मैं भागा करती थी and उससे पहले भी I was associated with a running club. But वो short distances, leisurely, once in a week 5 kilometer भाग लिया, once in a while 10 भाग लिया. But then जब मैं इस group में आई, that's when I actually started running more than 10 आप समझ लें.
Yeah.
फिर उसके बाद
But a marathon would qualify as 15.
No.
10 के बाद होता है?
No,
How,
marathon is 42.2 kilometers.
42.2.
kilometers.
I've been told by a lot of marathon runners who come here.
उससे छोटा जो भी distance होता है those are races.
Yeah.
ठीक है 5 होती हैं 10 होती हैं 21 very common as well.
Yeah.
So जब मैंने वो group join किया उसके बाद I started building distances. Actually सीखा मैंने कि जो है ना इतने distances how to program for those distance क्योंकि on the surface आपको ऐसा लगता है कि इतना बड़ा distance है मैं कैसे करूँगी but trust me anyone can do it अगर आप training करें तो जब मैं
and training में what do you mean आपसे training का मतलब है कि specifically खाना पीना or workouts what are we focusing on
I think एक aspect नहीं है these are all aspect first of all जो आपका जो running program है that has to be well structured ठीक है आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मैं एक week में या एक month में program करके how much am I running and what distances मैं progress कैसे कर रही हूँ distances में उसके अलावा आपकी strength training जो बहुत that is I feel that is the fundamental of running as well क्योंकि आपके पास basic strength ना हो ठीक है so it's not easy to get fast it's not you'll be injured ठीक है और आपके जो है ना I mean
muscles बनाना ज़रूरी
exactly
है
you need that strength to become because running is also a sport right
absolutely
ये एक skill है जो लोग समझते हैं कि जी हम ऐसे ही जाके भाग लेंगे या क्या well and good they can for their general health
or maybe once or twice
exactly लेकिन अगर आप marathon जैसे mission पर हैं it's not easy so it's better to have your sleep your nutrition your strength work and a good running program in place
and a good mindset as well कि आपका discipline बिल्कुल होना चाहिए while running as well guys we're having an amazing discussion if you are not then this segment should inspire you कि आप रनिंग करें आप वॉक से शुरू कर सकते हैं एंड आई रियली थिंक उज़मा वाज जस्ट टेलिंग मी हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज़ समटाइम्स टू मैनेज कि वो कोचिंग भी कराती हैं right she's a family person as well and at the same time she is training at a gym as well right आप लोगों को भी train करा रही हैं आप खुद भी training कर रही हैं और family भी raise कर रही हैं so how is it that you manage all of these 3 things together and that too so brilliantly
Well, it's the art of balancing and discipline in two simple words.
Of course.
तो अगर आप ये master कर लें over the period of time, and it also depends कि आपकी बचपन से कैसे habits रही हैं. So my parents are very disciplined. I belong to a very disciplined family. So it all comes from there, I feel. So ये सारी चीजें.
And are your kids like that too?
Well, somewhat. They're not into running. My son is into cricket. वो अपनी चीजें करते हैं. But I don't expect them to follow what I'm doing.
Of course.
Yes. So I support them with whatever they want to do.
As long as they're fitness conscious, right?
Exactly.
And your hubby, he's very supportive of you.
Yes, he's very, very supportive.
Supportive of you. So Uzma, I'd love to ask you कि आपने जो 3 international marathons किए थे, उसमें London में you were able to break your own record, right?
Yeah.
And it was 3 hours 59 minutes, and every minute counts. So how is it कि आपने वो 4 घंटे वाला mark तोड़ा और लंदन में ऐसी क्या खास बात थी?
जी, I mean that was the most memorable marathon I've had क्योंकि वो एक sub 4 hour का mark break करना जो है वो it becomes you know it's the most memorable thing that I पूरे जो मैंने सारे marathons किए हैं, that feeling that I had at that time, it's unmatchable. So I think everything put together कि पहली बात training भी की थी और दूसरी बात जो है the London की vibe, ठीक है, right from the very first step on the track till your last, London has an amazing vibe. Yes. So other than that, आप जो है अपनी रनिंग की आप रेस जो है कैसे स्ट्रैटेजाइज करते हैं, तो वो भी मैंने स्ट्रैटेजी जहन में रखकर.
I'm sorry to cut you off, but how do you strategize?
Well,
would you like to share your secrets?
Well, आपको बहुत ही ठंडे दिमाग से स्ट्रैटेजाइज करना पड़ता है बिकॉज ये एक छोटी रेस नहीं है. मैराथन का यही है कि यू कैन क्रैश इन द एंड, यू कैन क्रैश इन द मिडल. अगर आप बहुत फास्ट शुरू में चले गए, you know, that's also not wise. So basically I would say कि I have learned pacing by participating in various races other than marathon. So marathon ठीक है, मैंने on the surface आपको लगेगा कि जी 4 मैराथन किए हैं, लेकिन उसके पीछे मैंने बहुत सारी local races उनमें मैंने participate किए हैं, बहुत सारे fitness competitions में participate किया है. So the art of pacing, strategizing, planning, ठीक है, so it all comes from there. वो एक मैराथन में मैंने कोई मैजिक नहीं किया था. So it's all work that I have put in the previous years, जो एक साथ समझे वो लंदन में जी और अब जाके जो है I'm getting a better grip of pacing. To strategize for such a long run, it's not easy. अब वो 4 घंटे से ज़्यादा की भी गेम हो सकती है. आप उसमें अपने आप को कैसे आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, कैसे मिडवे आपकी फ्यूलिंग, आपकी हाइड्रेशन, एवरीथिंग पुट टुगेदर
इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लवली, वेरी वेल सेड उस्मा. गाइस, अभी हम एक्चुअली जा रहे हैं ब्रेक पे, एंड देन जब हम ब्रेक के बाद वापस आएंगे तो हमें इसरार खटक ज्वाइन करेंगे फ्रॉम द इस्लामाबाद स्टूडियो. सो प्लीज स्टे ट्यून्ड.